So, if you're having problems with your SkyQ box remote here and it's not working or responding, well, there are a few things that you could do here to fix this issue or the issues that you're encountering here. So, first thing that you want to do here is you may want to change your battery first. Now, this sounds obvious, but weak batteries are the number one reason SkyQ remotes stop responding. Now, swap in a fresh pair of triple A's and make sure they're seated right way around here. Now, also, you may want to wake the SkyQ box with the power button on the box itself. Now, this tells you right away whether the problem is the remote or the box itself. So, press the power button on the front of the SkyQ box. If the box turns on but the remote doesn't respond, the issue is definitely with the remote. Now, sometimes the remote just loses its bearing. So what do you need to do? Well, you want to hold the 1 and 3 buttons together for about 5 seconds until the LED light on the remote blinks. Now this forces it to reconnect to the SkyQ box. Now, the SkyQ remote uses Bluetooth, not infrared, but heavy interference can still affect them. So move any big metal objects, soundbars, or game consoles away from the box and try again. Now, you may want to turn the SkyQ box off at the wall, wait for about 60 seconds, then power it back on. Now, once it's fully rebooted, try using the remote again. This refreshes the Bluetooth connection. Now, you may want to reset the remote if it's still not responding. So, you want to hold the 7 and 9 button together for about 5 seconds to reset the SkyQ remote. Then repeat the pairing, so in this case, the 1 and 3 buttons to reconnect it to the box. Now, if you've changed the batteries here, reset it, and paired it or repaired it, and the box still won't respond, well, the remote has likely failed internally. Now, at this point, ordering a replacement from Sky is usually the quickest fix here. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.